biggest problem that we had was traffic congestion. This junction here is the confluence of the A406 and the A1, which both merge in this section, and the traffic demand far exceeds the capacity that was available through this junction. It was one of the most congested junctions in London prior to this scheme taking place.
Crossing the road was a nightmare. It's basically taking your life into your hands. And in fact, there was a BBC documentary not so long ago which focused on this particular junction, and it actually showed school children getting on over at Finchley Road over there just to get off outside the hotel. So that was obviously a safe way of getting across the road.
What we found particularly attractive about Tarmac's tender was the very short programme that they had tendered. That was attractive to us because the construction of this scheme would inevitably cause a very serious traffic impact. So we wanted the scheme delivered in the shortest possible time frame, and Tarmac gave us the most condensed programme to deliver the scheme. And obviously they were very good on price as well, and the tender was awarded to them as being the best overall in terms of cost and quality.
The site team here at Henlys Corner worked hand in hand with Transport for London's management team to deliver the programme ahead of schedule. We also managed to complete the works with no accidents, and all works were completed within specification. Tarmac employed its integrated supply chain specialists to undertake traffic management, sheet piling, treatment of Japanese knotweed, gantry fabrications, environmental works and landscaping.
Two of the major stakeholders were the synagogue and the hotel over there. I mean, we had many ongoing discussions with the rabbi. He had quite a large event happening one evening, and he was very concerned about getting people across the A406, wriggling their way through the cones and all the traffic management. And with the help of Tarmac, who provided marshals that night to actually assist people getting across the road, the rabbi at the end of the day was very thankful for that.
During the scheme design process, we engaged with the local community through two public exhibitions where the community was given the opportunity to see our design proposals and to comment on them. And we took on board a number of views that both the public were putting forward and other stakeholder interest groups, which we incorporated into the junction design.
The main obstacles that we encountered on this scheme were uncharted cables. We arranged weekly meetings with the public utility companies, and we used their expertise and knowledge to find out whether these various cables were live or dead.
In terms of traffic congestion, since the scheme's been implemented, we've got a lot of evidence so far, which is still being accumulated from our automatic traffic sensors, that the scheme has made a dramatic improvement to the congestion that was being experienced here, and that's obviously made life a lot easier for road users that are using this junction.